All right, here we go. So this is a review of the Bose Bluetooth 360 water resistant aluminum durable, I don't know what else to call it, but Bluetooth speaker. I had this speaker, I've been using the speaker for like a good month now, So I'm gonna tell you my likes, what I learned about it, and my one dislike about it. Okay, so let's start with the buttons. Of course, we got the power button right here at the top. Bluetooth button, you can put the speaker in pair mode, and also you can double tap it to switch between devices. And yes, you can pair multiple devices at once. You got the volume buttons here, and this button here at the bottom acts as a play, pause, skip, and rewind button. All right, and this button here, this is probably like the least used button right here. You switch sources, so if you want to use a USB cable instead of the Bluetooth, you can just press this button here, and it goes to Bluetooth to USB. Once you turn it on, it'll tell you which battery life you have.
Battery 80%.
And if you really want to get fancy with it, you can download the Boost Connect app. It's for Android and Apple devices. So I'll be honest with you, it's not much to do with this app really, but there is some cool stuff you can do. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to the settings, so within the settings, there's really like 3 options that's useful. One is the party mode. If you have multiple Bose speakers, you can play the same music out of all speakers all at once. You can name it. You can set an auto timer so you can let your device know when you want it to go to sleep when it's not in use. And we can talk all day about the buttons and apps, but what we really care about is how it sounds, right? All right, it's at 50% right now, and you can't tell by listening to it through the video, but I can already feel like I can feel the bass in my hands right now. Let's move it to 70. 80. You really got to try it out to see how the bass works, but I love the bass. I love the quality of it, like how crisp it sounds. Like it's at 20% right now. The volume is at 20%. And like, it's at 40% now. And just the fact, because I know while you watch this video, you can hear, it sounds like the music is coming from the video, right? That's how crisp it sounds in person, that it sounds crisp on the video. And about my only dislike about this speaker, it's not really nothing like big, but just a little small problem. It's just, you know, it kind of triggers me a little bit. And that's with the volume. When you control the volume on the speaker itself, it goes like notch by notch by notch by notch at a time. So on, I tried other speakers before, when I used the volume, it kind of just gave you like little gaps of volume, but with this, they'll go to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But like I said, that's a small problem. But overall, I'm happy with this speaker. I'm going to keep this speaker. I will show you guys how waterproof it is, but I don't want to mess it up. But should I just tough it out, do it for the video? Do it for YouTube. Do it for YouTube, god dog. This is just stupid. This is probably gonna be stupid, but screw it. We doing it for YouTube, y'all. We doing it for YouTube. I guess we're gonna end this video in a bang, y'all. Shout out to Donnie for letting me use his music. Much love to Gaston 256. Oh shoot. We still good, y'all. We still good, y'all. We still good. But yeah, let me keep the music playing. So yeah, overall, I love this speaker. I don't plan on replacing it. Do I recommend it? Yes. Do I have any main concerns about it? Y'all, water even got in the little power outlet there. But yeah, good speaker. Check it out if you have the money for it. It's worth the money, y'all. All right, I'm out. Much love. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.